Alright guys, welcome back to the Frugal Homestead. And today we're going to do a tiny house update. But first, I've got someone with me and we got a tragedy that has befallen our family that we need to talk about. So, first of all, Apollo's here. Hi buddy. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah, good boy. So, Apollo's with me because he's stuck to my butt now. And the reason why he's stuck to my butt is because our little beagle, my little baby girl, Molly, ended up being really chewed up with cancer. She crawled up in my lap one night and she was just done. She was in pain. We took her to emergency vet and her entire abdominal wall was just covered with cancerous matter. So we had to not let her suffer anymore. She couldn't even go to the bathroom anymore. So we brought her home for the last night with the family. Everybody spent time with her. And the next morning we did what we had to do. But we were kind of going back and forth on whether we wanted to spread her ashes or what. But since we started building this tiny house, she's loved being down here. So we decided that she will be here with us. So as you can see, nice little box with her name, and she's going to just stay here in the tiny house with us. That way if we're here enjoying Christmas, or if Apollo's laying here by the fire, we can enjoy having her close to us. Now, with all this going on, it has ate up a lot of our time and some of our resources, which is not a problem at all. We don't have a problem with that at all. But I cannot deal with this and not take the time to help out the old man here that was his partner in crime. So me and him have been spending a lot of time together, which has limited my ability to be down here doing things for more than an hour or two. And between videos and firewood, because it's starting to pick up, I just haven't been able to get that much done. But I do have some key things I got done that I want to show you guys. So one of the things I got done is I got the fencing up. We still need to concrete the bottom, but it's actually up and stapled in. Now I don't know if you guys can see, but we got blocks all along here because we got a problem with a groundhog trying to get under our house. A groundhog already destroyed our garage, but we also got the double flap dog door put in. Now, the only problem is it came out that high. So I've got to make a ramp that comes down here so Apollo can come out whenever he wants. You can see he's trying to figure out where the groundhog is. But this will be his little area to hang out. We're going to put a sunning patio right here for him. And then a gate here. Now also, since you guys have last seen this, Missy has painted this all with oil-based paint to make it last longer. And she was covered with it the day she did it, and it was hot. So hats off to her. But also, if you guys have been watching our other videos, we set up this little bench setup to test batteries. This is the panel we've been using. It's 180 watt. Just slapped up. That way we can do our testing inside. But we actually have been running air conditioning off of it, which is pretty cool. Alright, so as we come inside here, we've got the inverter, battery, charge controller all set up right here just to do testing. I've tested out 2 different batteries now, and I've got some more coming. So look for those videos. Is it hot? It's hot outside, huh? So we come in here. Not much has been going on other than I put an air conditioner in that window. It's a temporary thing. There's the other side of that doggy door. We're getting ready to do the plumbing. Are you helping? We're getting ready to do the plumbing on the hot water tank. So that's coming. And we've been running the refrigerator off solar as well while we're down here, which it takes care of that no problem. That thing uses next to no power. But I have something else I want to show you upstairs. Okay, so this is what I wanted to show you. This is Missy's $500 or $600 couch she ordered and then made me put together. And it came with all the pads and cushions stuffed inside of these and the bottoms. It was a pain, but it's actually pretty comfortable. Come here, Paulo. Paulo, come here. Okay, he doesn't want to be involved, but generally, when we brought him and Molly down the day I assembled it, they both jumped up and loved it. Are you coming up here now? Do you need help? Okay, you don't need help. Okay. Easy, big boy. So as you can see, he really likes the ability to be able to sit next to you and just be close to you. That's just kind of how he's feeling right now. And that's fine. That's why this couch was bought, huh, buddy? But it may not be the most forward-moving month we've had, and we may have faced some challenges, but we're getting through it. The house is still progressing, be it in a very small way. And I am going to go up and get some materials to do the handrails in the coming week or two. Now I do have some other projects that I've got to get done before I can go full tilt down here. But it's coming. But this guy needs my time too. So I've got to take breaks to spend time with him. Yeah. But we appreciate you guys watching and your patience. Obviously things take longer than anticipated. Yes, you're a camera hog, aren't you? But we're doing the best we can, trying to make sure we don't work so much that we don't spend time with important guys like this. And it reminds us that life is short and we need to be working hard to get to where our time is our time, which is exactly why we're doing this. Now, with that said, if you haven't already, and I don't know why you wouldn't have by now, guys, come on, go down, hit subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can see all of our upcoming videos. Give us a like, and go down in the comments and say hi to Apollo. Ain't that right, buddy? Yes, you're a cool boy. Yeah. But I think he's hot, so we're going to go back up to the house and let him lay in the air conditioning, and I'm going to get some more mowing done. But we will see you guys in the next one. You ready to go back up to the house?